celestial buddies. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok, and you may not heard of them, but I'll show you. First up is Earth, the planet that we live in. So this is Earth, and it says Earth right on its foot. So cute. And it actually looks so real. Here's a close-up. Doesn't it look so cute and so real? It's so cute, I want to squish it. And here give you some facts about Earth. It's actually, age is about 4.53 billion years. That's a lot. Here's a picture of Earth. I am a good-natured, true blue friend. Aw. Next one. Whoa, which one is this one? Venus. Oh, doesn't she look so cute? It's a girl this time. And she has a heart-shaped lips. Oh, look, I can dancing. Okay, let's read the facts. My name is Venus. Age about 4.53 billion years. I'm going to read what the text says. I am so pretty, but you can look. But you better not touch, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. And that's Venus. Last but not least, we have Uranus. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. And look, it's teal, one of my favorite colors. And look, it has a ring around it. It looks so sparkly and shiny. Wow, that's really cool. And here's a picture of Uranus. I think this is kind of like my favorite planet because it's like teal and it looks so beautiful. I'm the seventh planet from the sun, named for the Greek god of the heavens. Thank you Kid Stuff PR for sending me these amazing plushies. Don't forget to follow Celestial Buddies on Instagram. Bye!